Hey guys, let me fix my hair.
Jingle bell, rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now...
Oh my god!
Hey guys, it's Blaize. Okay, I'm a little nervous to be doing this video, but I really want to do it. So a couple of weeks ago, or last month, something like that, a month ago, in that area, I saw on Instagram a girl doing a DIY hair makeup brush using her own hair. And then the lovely Samantha Pink Sparkles here on YouTube, she did a video doing it, and I was like, you know what? I want in on the fun. So when we went to Dollar Tree the other day, I picked up this super glue right here and a bag of assorted metallic pencils. I think I'm gonna go with blue. I really like the way the blue one looks. So basically what you do is you take the eraser out, you cut a little inch of your, not an inch, but you cut some of your hair. I'm gonna cut it from all the way in the back, and then you glue it in there, and you can make an eye brush and blend it out, and we are going to test it. I know I have eyeshadow on, but we're going to test it with something else so we can see how good it actually works. Please give me a thumbs up for this video, because I actually kind of don't want to do this video because I love my hair, but please give me a like for doing this, and don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are, and I have tons of free giveaways every single month. This month I have 3 massive giveaways, so make sure to get in on that. I will leave that on the top of the cards above and link them down below as always. Okay, so for the first part we have to take out the eraser. That was relatively easy. So now you just take the empty part up here with your hair and you glue it in there. They used hot glue, I think, but I don't have my hot glue gun. I think it's in storage, so kind of nervous. It's just hair, right guys? It's just hair. I mean, yeah, it's just hair. So let's not cut that much. We're gonna cut like that much. All right, here we go. I'm really doing this. So, okay, so. Whoa, I cut more hair than I wanted to. Now we're gonna take the super glue. The super glue smells hella strong when you're near it, so try not to inhale too much of it. And then we pour a little bit into the pencil top. Oh my god. 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 Oh my goddess. Oh my goddess. I am rolling my hair now and trying to get it all to go in. It's not working well, right? Oh, we got it, we got it. We got it. Let's hold that there for a minute.
2 hours later.
So this is what we're working with so far. I have to like cut it naturally, not natural. Why did I say the word naturally? That's a weird word to just have to say. Okay, it's not cutting my hair. What? There we go. Oh, what did I do? This video's a mess. Help me. This is my Britney 2007 breakdown right now. Yes, I cut another piece off because I needed more. So let's start cutting and shaping our brush, our little handmade eyeshadow blending brush that kind of looks like Cynthia. Oh no, you guys. What have I done? Here is our DIY blending brush. I'm so happy right now. Like, can you see the happiness on my face? Okay, now time to test it out. I'm gonna take this LA Colors highlighter in Glow Time just because it's what's right in front of me and I don't have brow bone highlight on. So let's go ahead and use our Cynthia brush and see how well it applies. I mean, do you see what I'm doing here right now? Guys, I'm not okay, and this should be a pretty clear video for you to see that I'm clearly having some kind of mental breakdown. Is it me, or did that actually do like a really good job highlighting? Like, look at that. That actually did a really good job. I'm not even mad at that. I mean, I'm mad at myself that I cut my hair twice just for a video like this. I will say that this was a successful video because it did what it was supposed to do, and that is blend out eyeshadow. I know it wasn't eyeshadow, it was highlight, but you know, then it's a blending highlighting brush that, again, looks like Angelica's doll, Cynthia. Cynthia, she's a really good dancer. Cynthia, she's a something, Cynthia. I don't remember the rest of it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was weird and messy and just very strange all around. Would you guys attempt doing this? Doing your little own DIY hair makeup brush? Oh, I think I inhaled too much glue. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, please make sure to go down, hit the subscribe button, and here are all my social medias. Please make sure to go and follow me and be social with me on my medias. I will talk to you guys very soon, and I'm okay. I know I'm joking around about having a mental breakdown. That's only half true, okay? So, don't worry about me. I'm fine. That was just funny banter for this video. So, I'll talk to you guys soon, alright? Stay wicked.
Ho, ho, ho!